Hey, nice to see you here. Thank you so much. And first of all, I would like to kudos to you that you are 1% of the people, those are literally serious about their growth. All right. So let me go ahead and what exactly I have for you in this 10 minutes of video. Here I will be giving you and showing you those seven hidden challenges, those seven hidden holes in your business from where your money is leaking. So stay tuned till the end. Let's go ahead and forward. So if you are a doctor, coaches, consultant, educator, trainer, आप इनमें से किसी भी बिजनेस में आते हैं ना, सो दिस इज फॉर यू. एंड व्हेन आई से एजुकेटर इट मींस आप किसी को कम्युनिकेशन स्किल सिखा रहे हैं, आप किसी को कोई आर्ट सिखा रहे हैं, आप किसी को कोई लैंग्वेज सिखा रहे हैं, कोई पाइथन सिखा रहे हैं, आप किसी को किसी भी तरह की लैंग्वेज सिखा रहे हैं, राइट? इट्स नॉट फॉर people those are from biz gurukul idp or something, right? I have something powerful for you, but first let me ask you this. Are you waking up each morning wondering, why am I not making the money I deserve? Are you frustrated that your amazing offers just aren't selling the way they should? Deep down, do you feel like maybe you are not qualified enough yet and you are scared to raise your prices because you think clients will run away? Are you putting in endless hours, yet it feels like the business needle just isn't moving? If you said yes to any of this, you are not alone, my friend. But most important is you are not stuck. I want to introduce you to a proven futuristic method that has already helped thousands of service based entrepreneurs grow from scratch to 10 lakhs per month without working harder, without chasing leads or burning out. The method which I'm talking about, it can help you to get a flood of dream clients who are ready to throw money at you. An automated flow of sales while you sleep. And most importantly, your time, your energy, and peace. To make this happen, you just need to master the three simple pillars if you talk about any business under the sun. The first is lead generation. You should be ready to buy leads daily on consistent basis. Lead organization. You should never lose a lead again. Lead automation. Stop wasting time on known sales task. I will explain you further more. We'll go dive deep into it, how it's gonna work. So first of all, there is a truth. There are only two kind of business, my friend. The one is unorganized and the another is organized. How does unorganized market looks like? Full of manual work, sacred tools, human dependency, and constant money leakage. If you want to grow, you have to come out of this unorganized way of doing business. And how organized looks like, just amazing, running like a machine with the systems, automation, and consistent growth. Which one do you want to be, by the way? Organized one or unorganized one? Before you decide, let me go ahead and show you something. I am showing you the real stories which has holes in the bucket from every hour, every day, every month money is leaking. And just check how many holes do you have in your business. Let me show you how others were unknowingly leaking income until they switched to the system. Meet Vaishali, a salon owner. Leads were coming, but sacred across WhatsApp, Excel, and DMs. Hence, no follow-ups. व्हाट्सएप पे जब लीड आ रही है, एक्सेल पे लीड आ रही है, डीएम्स पे लीड आ रही है, उनको मैनुअली एक्सेल पे डाला जा रहा है और थोड़े दिनों में वो एक्सेल से भी गायब हो जाती थी. दैट मीन्स मिस्ड बिजनेस. Vikas, a realtor, he used to help client to rent a home, rent a shop, but had no system to follow up. एट द टाइम ऑफ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट रिन्यूअल। इनको याद ही नहीं आता था कि भाई किस किस का कॉन्ट्रैक्ट अप्रूव होने वाला है, कि किसका कॉन्ट्रैक्ट अभी दोबारा रिन्यू होना है। और जब याद होता था, आता था, जब तक कस्टमर या तो चला जाता था या फिर रिन्यू ऑटोमेटिकली हो जाता था, हेंस मिस्ड रिपीट इनकम। Chandrasekhar, a business coach, he used to spend hours talking to unqualified leads. अब अनक्वालिफाइड लीड से बातें करोगे तो टाइम वेस्ट होगा ना, टाइम इज मनी एंड मनी इज टाइम। मीट पंकज, अ डाइटिशियन, मैनुअली फॉलो अप चल रहा है एवरी डे, हेंस बर्नआउट प्लस लूजिंग लॉयल कस्टमर्स। डॉक्टर कल्पित, नो सिस्टम टू रीविजिट ओल्ड पेशेंट्स। एक बार कस्टमर आ रहा है तो उसके बाद वापसी आ ही नहीं रहा, दैट मींस लॉस्ट रिकरिंग रेवेन्यू। डॉक्टर मोनिश, इनका कैलेंडर फुल रहता था बट क्लाइंट्स डिडंट शो अप क्योंकि इनके पास कोई रिमाइंडर सिस्टम ही नहीं था, हेंस अगेन द मिस्ड अपॉर्चुनिटी। आकाश, अ कोच, चेजिंग पेमेंट्स मैनुअली, फोन कर रहे हैं, भैया आपका पेमेंट रिमाइंडर, भैया आपका पेमेंट होना है, भैया आपका पेमेंट होना है। Stress, delays, and revenue dip. Vivek, an insurance advisor, he used to quit follow ups after 2, 3 tries. Where it's a wonderful saying by someone that fortune is in follow up, but we get tired within 2, 3 because it's a boring job. Hence, you are losing clients. Again, the leakage in your system. Nirmal, a parenting coach, पेमेंट्स वर फेलिंग, दुनिया इनको पेमेंट करने की कोशिश कर रही है, पेमेंट फेल हो रही है, इनको पता ही नहीं लग रहा है। हेंस अगेन द लीकेज इन योर बिजनेस। एंड दीज आर जस्ट अ फ्यू एग्जांपल माय फ्रेंड। जस्ट इमेजिन हाउ मच मनी, एनर्जी एंड ग्रोथ यू आर लूजिंग डेली ड्यू टू दीज इनविजिबल लीक्स। बाय द वे, लेट मी नो, इन सारे लीक में से आपके बिजनेस में कौन सा लीक मैच हो रहा है जो आपने कभी नोटिस नहीं किया। And now just imagine what happens when you fix them all with one system. All the above entrepreneurs, they have learned three fundamentals of being in organized market. The one is right strategy. You should have a right strategy, a right mindset, and the right tools. These three fundamentals are very important to take your business from unorganized to organized. And they have used the three secret methods to scale their business. What kind of methods are we talking about? It's a clove method, toes method, and ARR. These three methods and the fundamentals, after using this, they have built what I call an automated ecosystem, an intelligent system that handles your lead capture, lead follow up, payment reminders, client nurturing, re engagement, show up booster, and whatnot. With the three secret methods, their business scaled from 0 to 10 lakhs per month without any tech headaches. But question is, why when I'm sharing this with you? Because this could be your turning point too, like others. And here is why this matters now. Only if you don't automate, you stay stuck in survival mode. Maybe you are in this survival mode from months and from years. You have to get rid out of this if you want to scale. Doing everything manually is not a badge of honor. It's a growth blocker, my friend. You deserve a business that gives you income and freedom, not just one or the other. Now, Shobhit, what to do next? See, buddy, if you are serious, if you're literally serious, and if you are ready to invest your time and money, and if you are serious about creating your own automated ecosystem, one that takes care of all the non sales tasks so you can focus on growing, serving, and scaling. Then I invite you for my 3 days live challenge, which is happening soon, where you will learn all these methods, all these fundamentals in 3 days, where you can also scale up to 10 lakh per month. So, what are you waiting for? Click on the link below and register for 3 days live workshop, and you will get a bonus of 50,000 rupees. And if you're someone who don't know about me, my name is Shobhit, and after helping more than 4,000 entrepreneurs to build their automation system, I would love to help you to do the same. You don't have to figure it all out alone. I will be with you. See you inside. Take care. Jai Mata Di.